It's me, Tiffany, and I am back with another video. And this collection that I'm holding in my hand is the Precision Sculpt Liquid Contour Duo by Sheglam. We are about to try it on and test all of them out. The Precision Sculpt Liquid Contour Duo has a 2-in-1 brush design. So right now I'm definitely testing out which shade is going to look best on my skin for my contour. The first two I tried were a little bit too light. They were exactly my skin tone. So on the third try, I finally got it right. This collection has 11 shades. And the shade that I am using is Cedar. And the other colors that look great with my skin tone or skin tones alike would be Maple Syrup and Stone. So right now I am contouring and dotting all over my face in those contour areas, which would be the cheeks, the forehead, and definitely the nose, the chin. And I use the big side to do that. Now we are using the small tip to contour and sculpt the nose, and then we're going to get to blending it all out so it can all become seamless together. I be trying to hold a steady hand so I can get my nose lines straight, because if not, I'm going to have a crooked nose. And it definitely would be my fault. So now that I have hit all the areas with the 2-in-1 brush design, it is time to blend it out. And I am using my brush. These contour colors are all buildable and very blendable. The formula of the Precision Sculpt Liquid Contour Duos are very nourishing and creamy. The natural matte formula melts into the skin without streaking or spotting. You gotta blend, blend, blend for the win. You see how that color is showing up? Very, very nice. I gotta make sure that those cheekbones are contoured out, okay? And here we are hitting that jawline, okay? Comment down below what you like to blend out your contour with, a beauty blender or a brush. Which one works best for you? And after you contour, you can always finish your foundation and your contour and highlight with blush. And I would suggest after you blend everything out to make sure you use like a powder. So for the nose area, I definitely felt more comfortable blending everything out with this flat beauty blender so that I can keep my contour lines in place as much as possible. So I have almost reached that desired look that I am going for. I'm just finishing up with the blending and trying to make sure that I don't have any harsh lines, okay? That is very, very important. But we are getting there. So I definitely wanted to swatch this color for you. This is the line that you will get with the big tip, and then you have the smaller tip. So here you have it, the Precision Sculpt Liquid Contour Duo, you guys. I love it. Comment down below what you think.